As far as I'm concerned, TextALN ticks all the boxes for me. So this is commission I made in the past month. That's last month. I made $289, guys. And let me tell you guys, I didn't refer anybody. I didn't share my link with nobody, nothing. All I did was secure my position in this matrix, Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you something very amazing. I always show you something amazing. Okay, so I want to talk to you about how you can start affiliate marketing, how you can make money from affiliate marketing, and I have one very good affiliate marketing business opportunity that you can join today if that's what you're looking for. So I see affiliate marketing by all means the simplest and easiest way to make money online, because you don't need to have a product of your own that you're selling, and you don't need to buy products, you don't need to buy inventory. All you need to do is look for a product that is good, maybe something you're using around your house or something you like, and you just get the affiliate link from the company and pick that link and share it with other people. Once someone buys or people buy with your link, using your link, then you get a commission. So you don't need to have inventory. The product doesn't have to be your own, whether it's a physical product or a digital product. I want to show you one business opportunity that you can start from anywhere in the world and you can make money from. It's an affiliate program, and it's by far the best out there as far as I'm concerned when it comes to home business opportunity, affiliate marketing, and something you can do from anywhere. This is actually the best. So I'll show you my screen and show you the business opportunity I'm talking about. Now this is TextALN, guys. Some of you might have seen this around on YouTube, but I tell you guys, TextALN is actually, in my own opinion, if you look on my channel, is actually the only affiliate marketing business opportunity that I have ever made a video about and that I talk about, because I think it ticks all the boxes for me. TextALN is actually an SMS marketing platform that actually gives you an opportunity to secure your position, in a matrix, and it is a universal matrix. So it's not that you're building your legs separately. Everybody is coming from up, down. I have videos on this channel walking you through how to join TextALN. But in this video, I just want to point out something to you and how I have been making money. How I've made money in the past month without even doing anything with these guys. So this is that's it for me. As far as I'm concerned, TextALN ticks all the boxes for me. So this is commission I made in the past month. That's last month. I made $289, guys. And let me tell you guys, I didn't refer anybody. I didn't share my link with nobody, nothing. All I did was secure my position in this matrix, in a matrix here, and as you can see, I've made $289 in the month of November. So it is between the 27th of November and the 3rd of December this year. This is how much I made. And guys, like I said, I did not market this. I did not share my link with anybody, nothing. So this is how much I've made, and let me just walk you through what this business opportunity is about and how you can join if it interests you. Let's talk about the product. So like I said, this is a text message marketing platform, so you are able to market whatever it is you're selling using text message, using SMS. So email marketing sometimes does not really get as much open rate and click-through rate like it used to get before, because I mean there's so many options right now. So but the attention is on people's phones, so people are with their phones. When you send a message to someone and it pops and it pings and it vibrates, there's every possibility that the person would look at it and see what it's about. But an email can actually drop in the box and you never even get to open it in days. So that makes text message a better way for you to market your business. So that's what TextALN is all about. So TextALN provides you with a platform where you can sell your product using SMS, be it physical product or digital product. So if you have a business, like the example on the screen now, you can see today only half price, float, shakes and highs, cream, slush all day inside the mall. Get that link. So what TextLN helps you to do is it helps you send out automated messages, just like an email autoresponder. It helps you send out the message automatically. You can drip it out to your customers, to your clients, and you can have it set up and go out automatically. And this can work for any business. Do you have a restaurant business, whatever, service-based business, physical business, you have an e-commerce website business, whatever it is you're doing, you can actually use this text marketing platform to, you know, reach your customers more and faster and quicker. So this just shows you the power of text message, how you can actually use it. I'm just going to run through this quickly because I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing if that's what you're looking for. So all you need to do is just have them text a word to you, and you know, they text it, then your drip starts going out to them. That's whatever you set up in your text message autoresponder, it starts going out to them, and that's just how it works. So this is just showing you. So this is the back office of the text message platform, where you're able to get access to the total contact you have, where you see the number of people that have opted in, you see the number of messages that have gone out and all of that. So this is what it looks like, the inside of the marketing platform. This is what it looks like. Okay, now you get to also make money. So apart from getting to use that platform for your business, where people are able to text you and you're able to send and sell to them, and you know, tell them about your offers and all of that, you also get a position in a matrix. So the money you pay for the that's for the platform to use the text message platform also secures you a place in a matrix. And that's what I'll show you quickly, and that's how I've been making money without doing nothing, guys. That's how I've been making money. So this is what the matrix looks like. So up here is the company, and there are 3 people on the lower part, and you can see how the matrix is filling up. Now if you decide to join, you can see the purple head is you, so that means this is you here. So if you join and you are positioned on this leg, so now this is you with nobody here, there's nobody on your leg. So as the company keeps bringing in people, you know, it's a universal matrix. That means it's just one, the company is at the top, and everything that comes, everyone that comes after or in whatever leg will keep spilling over. So this is the company can't have more than 3 people on this first leg. So everybody that the company brings in, and everybody these people also bring in, will just keep going as spillovers, if you understand what I'm saying here. Guys, if you have any questions for me, and you don't really understand how this really works, drop me a comment and I will explain to you further. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Bukunmi. Again, on this channel I talk about everything passive income, different ways to make money online, and you know, all that great stuff. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification just beside it, and please give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. So let's continue, guys. So this is you up here. Now you have this spillover that's from here. You can see this is you here. Now you have a spillover on your first leg. This is you. This is the person on your first leg. Then if that keeps happening and you have the second person on your first leg, or your second leg rather, and you have the third person, now the system becomes free for you. I'm going to show you the financials now and how much you need to pay to secure your spot in the matrix, but that's how it works, guys. So once you have 3 people here, the system becomes free for you. Okay, so whether you refer these people yourself or not, the system becomes free for you. Now just let me show you the compensation plan here. So on your first leg you earn $20 per person. So that means this is you on this leg, this person, they pay you $20. Okay, Now on your second leg, let me show this well. Okay, so on your, this is your first tier, they pay you 20. Your second tier, that's the second level, they pay you $4. Your third level pays you $3 per person, guys, per leg, and that's how it keeps going down like that. And this is the potential that this system has. Guys, remember, like I said, I didn't pay. I only pay to secure my spot, so I'm not actively promoting the affiliate side of this business because I have a lot going on right now. I promote it very sparingly, not as active as I should, but still, guys, I'm still making money. I'm still earning every month. That's the power of this system, and that's why I said I think this is by far the easiest affiliate marketing program that anyone can join, and this is by far the simplest business opportunity you can actually join in the year 2022, ending the year 2022, going forward into the new year. If you really want to have that passive income, you just want to have that money coming in without really doing so much, then this is for you. Now, guys, a disclaimer here: I'm not saying that you will make money. Past results do not guarantee future results. I'm not saying that because I have made that money, then you are guaranteed to make that money. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying and showing you the power of securing your spot in the matrix. So, and the truth of the matter is, if you do come in quickly, I mean, you know how a matrix works. The faster you come in, the faster you are positioned and placed. So I'm not guaranteeing you make money with the system at all, but I'm just saying and showing you what exactly you can get with the system if you decide to join. Now, you should actually promote this system because that helps you get started quickly and fill up your legs quickly and make more money quickly. I'm just saying, even if you don't, you might still make money. Okay, guys, so this is how you join and this is how we get paid. So for fast start bonus, $40 per person. So that is paid to you directly. Now, these are testimonials from different people that have been paid out, you know, sharing their screenshots and all of that. This is what I want to show you guys. So the total you need to pay to join this program, this matrix, and get access to the text messaging platform is $99. That's all you need to start, guys. Now, when you join with $40 one-time payment to your sponsor. Whosoever referred you, you pay them $40. Guys, if someone else referred you and if you're just looking around to just learn more about TextALN, you should go back to your sponsor or the person you wish to join and join them. But if you don't have a sponsor and you want to join this program, I'm going to put a link in my description. It's going to be the first link in my description. Click on that link and it will show you and walk you through how to join the system, and it will be great to have you on board. Let's rock 2023 together. So this is how you join, guys. So you pay the $40 one-time payment to your sponsor. That goes to your sponsor. Then you pay $59 monthly. Now this $59 is what secures your position in the matrix for free. I mean, well, it's for free because it's an addition, because the $59 actually is towards you're using the text message platform. So I use the text message platform more than promoting it. So I'm using this for my business, to promote my business, and I'm also making money, you know, like passively. So that's a double win for me. So this is what you get by paying the $59. You get your TFN number. So you get a certain number, a US based number, and that you can use as your own. Irrespective of where you are in the world, you get a US based number. You get unlimited keywords. You get 500 monthly credits to use towards your campaigns, towards your drips, towards your text messaging. You get that every month just by paying the $59, and you get your matrix entry. So this also secures you a position in the matrix, and you get a marketing platform that you can use to, you know, market this business opportunity and all of that great stuff. So I just wanted to walk you through this quickly, guys. So this is the back office of TextALN. This is where you get your dashboard and your marketing pages and see how your matrix is growing and all of that. Now this is the marketing pages. You should pick this after joining the business. Pick this and go market it, so you can quickly fill up your downlines and quickly get that $40 one-time payment that your personal referrals. So it's your personal referrals that will pay you that $40. Your personal referrals will pay you, but the spillovers that come under your matrix, it doesn't have to be your direct referrals, if you understand what I'm saying. So this is one of the pages we use to market the business. It converts a lot. You get a lot of page views and clicks and sign-ups with this landing page. So you get this for free and all of that. And you get this sales page too for free. This sales page, I have that in my description, so go check that out, guys. So, and the amazing thing also is you get a company rotator. This is free. So once you join, you get placed in the rotator. So you get a slot in the rotator for free, absolutely free. Now, this is the creator of the program. His name is Dustin Mansell. He's a great guy. I've heard a lot about him before even joining. I have seen different programs that he's been a part of, and they really did well. So I mean, I always do my due diligence before joining any program. You should do your own due diligence too, but overall I think Dustin is a great guy. And yes, so this is him. You get free trainings also on how to rank your YouTube, how to do YouTube ranking for free. You get resources and trainings on how to list on Craigslist, on Facebook, how to do Facebook marketing, how to get more people to your business on Facebook, and all of that. So you have all of that in the back office and in the training, and all of that great stuff. So that is all about text ALN, guys, that I wanted to share with you guys. This is the commission I've made in the past 12 days. That's 12 days ago. I'm going to refresh now so somebody doesn't think it's a screenshot. I'm going to go back to that date. You can see it's 289. I am expecting to be paid out this in the next 3 days. That's my payment is coming on the 15th, so I'm really excited about this, and I'm really waiting for that. I've also gotten one other payment. I'm just going to run through that quickly to show you the last payment I had $94. That was in October, and that's how it's been, guys. So it will keep increasing because people are coming into the matrix, and the matrix is filling up and it's spilling over, and you keep earning on on every level. 10 levels deep, you keep earning as the legs gets filled up. You will get spillovers. It might take time, actually. It might take time because the matrix is getting larger now. It might take time, but you definitely will get them as time goes on. And if that's what you're looking for, then you may want to do this. And if you're an affiliate marketer, you like to actively market your business, this is a good one. It will convert, and it's a good one. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me in this video. I just wanted to share that with you quickly. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.